Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a quick little haul, just a few little items. I have one from eBay, one from Amazon, and as you can see here peeking through, a few little packs of sequins from Aliexpress. So first let me show you guys the sequins that I received. So I got this super pretty pearlescent one, and I'll have it linked down below so you guys can definitely go check it out. I got this one kind of like a hot pink, also kind of like holographic. Of course, I got this kind of like aquish green, so pretty. And then the last two are this pastel pinky and this mint green, which I love. You guys know that I love these colors, so of course I had to pick some up. Nothing crazy. And then from Amazon I picked up some foiling sheets. I saw Miss Avalee's tutorial for the little tassels, and I picked up a bunch of little foiling sheets. I'll have the link down below. I picked these up on Amazon. I think it was like for 50 sheets, like $5. Don't quote me, but that's what I picked up on Amazon. And then the last item that I picked up was thanks to Tony, and of course her Halloween stash. I picked up one of these Something Wicked in My Mind's Eye paper pads from eBay. I had this before, but I went totally through it. So of course I wanted to pick it up again, you guys. It's a super cool paper pad, and watching her video reminded me about it. I had totally forgot about this. Love the glitter. So of course, look at that plaid with the little glitter accents. They're double-sided. Love this sheet. Look at the skeletons with the nerd glasses. So of course I picked it up because Tony is an enabler, and that's just what we do around here. We enable each other to go and get all the things. So that is all for this quick little haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Tony, for enabling as always. And everything will be linked down below, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.